This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down the controller and removing the batteries. This prevents damage. Once done, remove the back screws with the correct T6/T8 driver and gently pry the shell. Be careful of ribbon cables. Make sure to note screw positions and keep parts organized. You want direct access to the analog module. That way you can see the potentiometer faces. As you open, look for dirt, corrosion, or a torn spring. These are the common culprits behind stick drift. You now focus on the potentiometer and gimbal. First, spray a small amount of contact cleaner into the pot while slowly rotating the stick to work the fluid in. This removes grime and oxidization. Then use a soft brush to clear debris from the gimbal and around the PCB. If drift persists, inspect for cracked solder or lifted pads. Make sure to reflow suspicious joints with a fine-tip iron. This restores electrical continuity and often fixes intermittent drift. You reassemble by aligning the gimbal and spring, seating the stick shaft and closing the shell. Tighten screws in reverse order to avoid warping. Once together, pair the controller and test input in a calibration tool. Adjust dead zone settings if needed. If drift still appears, try a firmware update or diagnostics app. Finally, if cleaning and soldering failed, replace the analog module. The reason is usually worn contacts. Replacing the pot is the only long-term solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.